Welcome back. This is the second part of installing WAMP. We are learning how to install Apache MySQL PHP and PHPMyAdmin as separate package on Windows 7 operating system. In previous video, we successfully installed Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2012. We installed MySQL database server and we also installed Apache web server on our computer. In this video, we will learn how to install PHP and PHPMyAdmin and also some basic configuration to make every package work together as a local development environment. So let's get started. If you followed along the previous course, you may have Apache server running on your computer and you will have successfully opened localhost and see this "it works" message. Now I will go to downloads folder and copy PHP file, zip file to my C drive. I will extract the files, delete the zip file and rename the folder to PHP. Here you can see various DLL files and also php.ini development and php.ini production. In order to make PHP run together with Apache web server, we will have to create a php.ini file and add some lines in Apache folder. Since we are using development computer, we will copy php.ini development and rename it to php.ini. Click yes. Now we will go to Apache 24 folder, config, cconf and open httpd.conf in Notepad. At the end, very end, type load module php 5 underscore module space c colon php. Add handler application /x httpd.php space .php and php.ini directory path php -dir space c colon /php/. Click save. This line will tell Apache server to load PHP file module from here and parse PHP file .php extension and look for php.ini file in this directory. Make sure you type the lines properly. After saving, httpd config, make sure to restart the Apache server. I will reopen the Apache service monitor and click restart. Looks like we have some typo in the config file. So I'll go ahead and open, and here in this line I didn't mention PHP 5 Apache 2 underscore 4.dll. Click save and restart the Apache service now, and you can see Apache service started successfully now. Now open your notepad and type basic PHP file and save it to C Apache htdocs test.php. Now if you load http localhost test.php, if you see PHP works, if your PHP file shows this message, it means Apache is successfully parsing PHP file and PHP is working on your development machine. One more thing before we proceed to installing phpMyAdmin. I'll go to Apache 24 and htdocs folder. I will delete this old index file and I will create a new PHP index file. And if I save this file as index.php, and now if I click localhost, it won't run. So we will have to edit httpd config file of Apache server and find index. Here you see directory index is index.html. Type index.php. Click save. Now again restart the server. And if you type PHP index file will also work. Now we will install phpMyAdmin. I will close the notepad and go to download folder and select phpMyAdmin and paste it in my C drive Apache htdocs and paste. I will extract the folder delete the zip file and copy it to htdocs and rename it phpMyAdmin. Now open the folder and here you will see config.sample.inc. Rename it to config.inc. Hit enter and open this file in Notepad. This is the phpMyAdmin config file. You can set upload directory, save directory and other basic settings from here. We will not go into the much details here, so I will close it and in my web browser I will type localhost and phpMyAdmin. You will see this phpMyAdmin error, MB string extension is missing. Don't worry about that. I will show you how to fix this error. Since we install PHP Apache MySQL and phpMyAdmin as separate packages, we have some extensions disabled by default. So we need to go to Apache 24 folder, conf folder and open httpdconf in Notepad and you will see here to enable extension you need to go to PHP file and php.ini and open php.ini file in Notepad and here you will see extensions. There will be a lot of extensions options here. Uncomment the extension to enable. Here you will see we have MB string extension is missing error. Here MB string extension. For the moment we will enable all extension. There are some extension which are not in use. We will enable most of them. This is for MySQL. Also one more thing, you need to set extension path from here php.ini. Search for extension underscore dir option and you will see extension directory option is disabled. Uncomment this and go to PHP folder, ext folder and select the path and paste the path over here. Save the changes. Now open Apache Monitor once again and restart. Now all the necessary extension will be loaded. Now if you go to phpMyAdmin and reload, phpMyAdmin will load. Type the username for database, which is default username root, and the password we set while installation. If you successfully logged in phpMyAdmin here, then Apache, MySQL, PHP and phpMyAdmin are working fine on your computer, and you can start developing websites in PHP and install other web applications like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla and any other PHP related applications. In next video, we will see some basic configuration of Apache, MySQL and PHP, and we will start learning PHP. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video.